بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم إن زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم.
O mankind, fear the wrath of your Lord. Indeed, the earthquake of the hour of judgment will be an awesome thing.
يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكارى وما هم بسكارى ولكن عذاب الله شديد.
On the day when you witness it, the suckling woman shall utterly neglect the infant she suckles, and every pregnant woman shall cast her burden, and you will see people as though they are drunk when they are not drunk. But dreadful shall be Allah's chastisement.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ويتبع كل شيطان مريد.
Among people there are some who wrangle about Allah without knowledge and follow every rebellious devil.
كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير.
Although it is decreed about him that he shall lead into error whosoever takes him for a friend, and will direct him to the torment of the fire.
يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج.
O mankind, if you have any doubt concerning resurrection, then know that it is surely we who created you from dust, then from a drop of sperm, then from a clot of blood, then from a little lump of flesh, some of it shapely and other shapeless. We are rehearsing this that we may make the reality clear to you. We cause a drop of sperm that we please to remain in the wombs till an appointed time. We bring you forth as infants and nurture you that you may come of age. Among you is he that dies at a young age, and he who is kept back to the most abject age, so that after once having known, he reaches a stage when he knows nothing. You see the earth dry and barren, and then no sooner than we send down water upon it, it begins to quiver and swell, and brings forth every kind of beauteous vegetation.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأنه يحيي الموتى وأنه على كل شيء قدير.
All this is because Allah, He is the truth, and because He resurrects the dead, and because He has power over everything.
وأن الساعة آتية لا ريب فيها وأن الله يبعث من في القبور.
All of it shows that the hour shall surely come to pass. In this there's no doubt, and Allah shall surely resurrect those that are in graves.
ومن الناس من يجادل في الله بغير علم ولا هدى ولا كتاب منير.
And among people are those that wrangle about Allah without knowledge, without any true guidance, and without any scripture to enlighten them.
ثاني عطفه ليضل عن سبيل الله له في الدنيا خزي ونذيقه يوم القيامة عذاب الحريق.
They wrangle arrogantly, intent on leading people astray from the way of Allah. Such shall suffer disgrace in this world, and we shall cause them to taste the chastisement of burning in the next.
ذلك بما قدمت يداك وأن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد.
That is the outcome of what your own hands have wrought, for Allah never wrongs His creatures.
ومن الناس من يعبد الله على حرف فإن أصابه خير اطمأن به وإن أصابته فتنة انقلب على وجهه خسر الدنيا والآخرة ذلك هو الخسران المبين.
And among people is he who worships Allah on the borderline. If any good befalls him, he is satisfied. But if a trial afflicts him, he utterly turns away. He will incur the loss of this world and the hereafter. That indeed is a clear loss.
يدعو من دون الله ما لا يضره وما لا ينفعه ذلك هو الضلال البعيد.
He invokes instead of Allah those who can neither harm nor benefit him. That indeed is straying far away.
يدعو لمن ضره أقرب من نفعه لبئس المولى ولبئس العشير.
He invokes those that are more likely to cause him harm than benefit. Such is surely an evil patron and an evil associate.
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار إن الله يفعل ما يريد.
In contrast, Allah will assuredly cause those who believe and act righteously to enter gardens beneath which rivers flow. For most certainly, Allah does whatever He pleases.
من كان يظن أن لن ينصره الله في الدنيا والآخرة فليمدد بسبب إلى السماء ثم ليقطع فلينظر هل يذهبن كيده ما يغيظ.
Anyone who fancies that Allah will not support him in this world and in the hereafter, let him reach out to heaven through a rope and then make a hole in the sky and see whether his device can avert that which enrages him.
وكذلك أنزلناه آيات بينات وأن الله يهدي من يريد.
Even so, we have revealed the Quran with clear signs. Verily, Allah guides whomsoever He wills.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والصابئين والنصارى والمجوس والذين أشركوا إن الله يفصل بينهم يوم القيامة إن الله على كل شيء شهيد.
On the day of resurrection, Allah will most certainly judge among those who believe and those who became Jews and Sabaeans and Christians and Magians and those who associate others with Allah in His divinity. Surely Allah watches over everything.
ألم تر أن الله يسجد له من في السماوات ومن في الأرض والشمس والقمر والنجوم والجبال والشجر والدواب وكثير حق عليه العذاب ومن يهن الله فما له من مكرم إن الله يفعل ما يشاء.
Have you not seen that all those who are in the heavens and all those who are in the earth prostrate themselves before Allah? And so do the sun and the moon, and the stars, and the mountains, and the trees, and the beasts, and so do many human beings, and even many of those who are condemned to chastisement. And he whom Allah humiliates, none can give him honor. Allah does whatever He wills.
هذان خصمان اختصموا في ربهم فالذين كفروا قطعت لهم ثياب من نار يصب من فوق رؤوسهم الحميم.
These two groups, the believers and unbelievers, are in dispute about their Lord. As for those that disbelieve, garments of fire have been cut out for them. Boiling water shall be poured down over their heads.
يصهر به ما في بطونهم والجلود
causing not only their skins, but all that is in their bellies as well to melt away.
وَلَهُمْ مَقَامِعُ مِنْ حَدِيدٍ.
There shall be maces of iron to lash them.
كُلَّمَا أَرَادُوا أَنْ يخرجوا منها من غم أعيدوا فيها وذوقوا عذاب الحريق.
Whenever they try in their anguish to escape from hell, they will be driven back into it and shall be told, "Now taste the torment of burning."
إن الله يدخل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
On the other hand, Allah will cause those who believed and acted righteously to enter the gardens beneath which rivers flow. They shall be decked in them with bracelets of gold and pearls, and their raiment shall be of silk.
وهدوا إلى الطيب من القول وهدوا إلى صراط الحميد.
They were guided to accept the pure word. They were guided to the way of the praiseworthy Lord.
إن الذين كفروا ويصدون عن سبيل الله والمسجد الحرام الذي جعلناه للناس سواء العاكف فيه والباد ومن يرد فيه بإلحاد بظلم نذقه من عذاب أليم.
Indeed, those who disbelieve and who now hinder people from the way of Allah and hinder them from the holy mosque which we have set up as a place of worship for all people, equally for those who dwell therein and for those who come from outside, they surely deserve punishment. Whosoever deviates therein from the right way and acts with iniquity, we shall cause him to taste a painful chastisement.